Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find country and region settings on your account on Reddit, easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click settings and now click account settings. Now here you'll find country. As you see here you can manage your country region settings, and that's it. That's how to find country and region settings on your account on Reddit, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.